Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a delicious and beautiful Dutch chocolate cake recipe. For this I have taken a chocolate sponge which I have made using a chocolate premix. 170 grams of chocolate premix. Into this goes 1 teaspoon of oil and water as required. You should add water according to the consistency that is required to bake the cake, and then pour it into a greased and lined 6-inch mold, and then bake it at 160 degrees for around 25 minutes. Now after it comes out from the oven, let it cool and then make it into 3 layers, slice it into 3 layers and then start layering the cake. Now you can see I have already layered the cake here, and then place it onto a cake board and then drizzle some water over it so that the sponge becomes moist. Now this is a very important step, otherwise the cake, it becomes very dry when you're eating it. And then I have whipped around 1 cup of whipping cream, and then I have shown you the procedure how to do it. And into this I have added chocolate ganache, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chocolate ganache into a half cup of whipping cream, and then just layer the cake with this chocolate whipped cream. Now to make the chocolate ganache, I have taken 50 grams of cream and 100 grams of dark chocolate that I have melted and mixed on a double boiler, and then I have mixed it into this whipped cream. Now again, into the second layer we will be drizzling some water and then layering it up in the similar manner, and all the 3 layers are layered in a similar manner by drizzling the water and then spreading the chocolate ganache and the whipped cream mixed over it. Now when you mix the chocolate ganache and the whipped cream together, this cake is known as a Dutch chocolate cake. Now we have to crumb coat it and set it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now I have taken it out of the refrigerator after 30 minutes and then cover it with plain whipped cream that does not have any chocolate in it. So approximately you will be using 1 cup of whipped cream for this cake to finish this cake. Now I have poured the ganache into a piping bag, and then I've just given it a very tiny small slit, and then just to make drips I am just going to rotate the cake board and then just let the chocolate fall onto the cake and the beautiful drips will be ready. You can just follow the way I am doing it. It's a very easy procedure of making drips on the cake. And then into a piping bag I have added the whipped cream, and then using N1 nozzles I am just making the rosettes randomly all over the cake. If you have a pattern ready in your mind, you can just follow it up and you can just make random rosettes all over the cake. And then using a Noor nozzle, star nozzle, I am going to make the remaining design like this. I have added the chocolate ganache and the whipped cream here, and then just decorate the border of the cake in a similar manner just to give it a good finish. And then just drizzle the remaining chocolate ganache onto the cake with a piping bag so that it gives a very neat finish to it. And there your Dutch chocolate, beautiful Dutch chocolate and delicious Dutch chocolate cake is ready. Just pour in place some beads over it so that it looks beautiful. I hope you like my recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye.